Hey everyone, it's Dave from Train Day, and today we got something from OSHA about a safety alert, warehousing, powered industrial trucks, forklifts, right? So a bunch of information here that pertains to some safety with forklifts. So what we're going to do is copy this, right? We want to use this text to create some training. Yeah, I'm going to copy this text. We're going to go over to Train Day. We're going to go ahead and log in. We're going to do, we're going to create a project actually. So we'll go to create. And let's do workplace safety. We're going to do workplace training. And for our data source, we're just going to drop this text in there. That's all we need. We're going to say use this data. And for our template, we're going to go ahead and select this one, right? So now we're going to wait for our samples, and it should get us pretty close to our desired outcome. Give us sort of correct presenter to have. And maybe we'll edit the text a little bit, edit the presenter, edit the sizing, and then we should be pretty good to go to generate our slides and maybe create a quiz in the middle for a little bit of a knowledge check. But other than that, we should be good to go. All right, here are our samples. Let's see what we got. Okay, we even have one with looks like a forklift right here, which is even better. So let's go ahead and select this one. It actually has like kind of logistics people on there, and I think it had a forklift on there, which is pretty impressive. So now it's creating our slides, our video scripts, and our interactive quiz, right? Multiple choice. All right, here we go. Let's see what we got. Got it right here. So I'm actually going to change this name. Let's call this warehouse training. And let's edit this a little bit. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to edit this text, right? Welcome to warehouse training. And I want to put this text up about here. And I'm also going to change the presenter a bit. So let's go warehousing. Let's find some warehousing people. We're going to use this guy. We're going to come like this. You can preview how he looks and sounds.
Hello, I am here to create your workforce training in just a...
So it'll just be fine for us. We'll say apply to all slides. And now we should be pretty close. So this looks pretty good. We can check out our quiz, all multiple choice. Looks pretty good. So it looks pretty good. We don't need to translate it. We'll just start to generate our slides because these look pretty good. And we'll start with this one. And we'll click yes. And you know that takes about 10 minutes to get done. There we go. So now we can just wait for our slides to get done. We'll go ahead and export it as a PowerPoint, maybe a scoring package, and we should be good to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.